Hey everybody, 24/7 Cars here. Today, I got a little true story to tell you about. Back in June 2022, I was in Escondido, California at a car show shooting footage for the very first video on this YouTube channel. It was late in the day by that time, getting near golden hour, and honestly at that point I was pretty tired and I figured I'd maybe had enough storage in my phone for one more car to shoot. Then all of a sudden I look up and I see these two guys and they're struggling to push their car down the street. They're trying to get to their spot in the car show. And yeah, the video you see here is the actual footage of what happened. So by this time, they're like over a couple hours late for the show. And even though their car, as you can see, it really wasn't anywhere near the nicest custom on the street that day. It really even compared to some of the cars that were just cruising by and not even in the show. Yeah, these guys were definitely on a mission to have their car take its rightful place right alongside the other classics that are lined up on Grand Avenue. And sure enough, a little further down the street, they made it. So I hope the story about the guys who refused to miss the car show, it inspires you. And whatever goal it is that you're going after right now as you watch this video, I'm rooting for you. And like these gentlemen, I know you can do it.